you feeling today? I'm just riding my wave too, wherever it takes me. Teas in my taste. Can you picture a place where there's peace and grace? I leave the blueprints on my steps you can trace.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Hvacroddy up here on the top of a roof. Just want to say thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with weekly content. Alright, so we're back down here with the filter. The hole. Probably don't need a flashlight. No, we don't go with no flashlight. Nope. Let's see. Right there. Pipes down here. You already have utilities down here. I don't need that. My whole truck. Now let's head out. Alright, we're in the crawl space. This one doesn't look too bad. This is down there. It doesn't look too bad. That's a long ass fucking drain line. Goodness. Get my vacuum and vacuum that out. Spider right on my nose. Yeah, that's a long ass fucking drain line. Goodness. Buddy. Got the filter right there. It's one of the Vapor air cleaner, model 5000. There's a light switch right there. I probably won't touch it though. Ain't really no point. It's in pretty good shape. Alright, so we finished down here. I actually did turn the light on. I need to turn my flashlight on. Let's get out of here. Thankfully, it's not that tough to get out of here. We have duct tape. And do I need duct? Nah, I got a whole new roll. Almost thought about taking the duct tape, but we good. Oh man. Alright, and we out. Crawl space time. Oh, ouch. Now with this one, I have no idea where it's at. I think it's back there. Yep. See a switch right here. Big old one in the way. See if this works. Oh, there we go. Okay, but it doesn't even reach back there. Hopefully I don't gotta get on my knees. Don't think so. Oh man, it's freaking concrete on your knees. I didn't think I was gonna get on my knees. Alright, yeah, the system right there. Get myself down there. Seems like I got some water leaking from somewhere. Wow. Outside of that, upward is good. Let's see if that water could be coming from. It's not the system, so it's not my problem, but yeah, I don't know where all that water would come from. System right there. Check your surroundings. I think we good. Spider web. Over here, there's a cinder block to sit on. That's good. Let's get this meeting started. Alright, finish that up. Time to head out. Kind of fun. That water was pretty fun. The pathway isn't too bad. I'm just carrying this big book bag right here. Let's go. Here. It goes from tarp to straight concrete.